Welcome to Leapfrog Edge 4.0, accessed via Leapfrog Geo 6.0. This video covers new features specific to Leapfrog Edge. We recommend you first watch the What's New in Leapfrog Geo 6.0 video to find out about the new features that have been added there. The combination of new functionality in Geo, Central, and Edge will open up many more capabilities in your resource estimation workflows. One new noteworthy Leapfrog Geo feature is the capability to add calculations to drill hole intervals. This provides a workflow-based option for applying top capping to drill hole intervals ahead of compositing and resource estimation. The features and functionality mentioned in this video are covered in more detail in the online help. Let's take a look now at the new features in Leapfrog Edge. Leapfrog Edge 4.0 takes the first step towards more efficient multi-domain estimation by offering a new parameter report that allows the easy tabulation and export of all estimation parameters in a project. This is the first part of an initiative to transform the creation and management of resource estimates using Leapfrog Edge. While it is easy to set up large or complex estimates in Edge by copying domained estimators, changing the inputs, domains, or values, and modifying the parameters, managing estimates through the domained estimation objects can become onerous. The new parameter report streamlines the validation of estimation parameters and provides an effective tool for auditing and reporting. The parameter report can be directly exported into an Excel workbook for archiving or inclusion in reports. In this release, the fields in the parameter report are not yet editable, but the next phase of development will enable direct editing of parameters from within the report itself, as well as the ability to copy and edit domained estimators, which will take the creation and management of resource estimation to the next level. To access the parameter report, right-click on the estimation folder and select Parameter Report. It will open a dockable window. By default, all the parameters for all the estimation objects in the project will be in the report. You can use the domain filter and/or the value filter to view the parameters for specific domains or values. The tabs along the top allow you to choose which parameters you would like to view: the domained estimation parameters, the interpolant parameters, the search, output, or variogram parameters. Click on any heading to sort the table. This can help you identify typos or erroneous values. Double-click any field to open the relevant estimation object in context. This allows you to make and validate any required edits. Make sure you refresh the parameter report to include your changes. In addition to the new parameter report, we have also added usability improvements to variograms and reporting. Prior to Edge 4.0, the variogram model types available in Leapfrog were the linear, spherical, and spheroidal variogram models. In this release, we have added 4 new variogram model types: exponential, Gaussian, cubic, and generalized Cauchy. The exponential model is commonly used in mining applications for modeling the behavior of precious metals, such as gold, as it has a steeper slope near origin than the spherical model. The cubic, Gaussian, and generalized Cauchy models are models that all share a similar form, being continuous near origin before rising to approach a sill. The cubic model is a piecewise model, like the spherical, and rises to a defined sill at a specified range, whereas the Gaussian and generalized Cauchy models asymptotically approach but do not reach the sill. Please refer to the online help for details of the formulae and definition of the practical ranges of these model types. The new variogram models provide more flexibility when modeling variables that have high continuity and local correlation, such as dispersed groundwater contaminants, particularly in situations with low data density. Screening effects and negative kriging weights can be more pronounced when using these models with continuous behavior, so make sure to use the block model interrogation tool as before to check that your kriging plan is optimal and the kriging weights are appropriate. All of these new models can be applied to both kriging and to the RBF estimators in Leapfrog Edge. We have also listened to your feedback regarding the unexpected movement of the total sill when interactively fitting your variogram models. To simplify the process of fitting your 2-structure variogram models, Leapfrog Edge 4.0 introduces the option to lock total sill. To lock the total sill value, simply click the padlock symbol next to the total sill and then adjust the first structure to fit as you would like. Leapfrog Edge 4.0 expands its reporting options to allow for reporting of additional resource types. For example, with industrial mineral projects, it is common to want to report resources below a cutoff grade rather than above. 2 additions have been made to Leapfrog Edge's reporting from block models to enable reporting below cutoff grade. A tick box has been added to the block model report to allow reporting below cutoff, and Leapfrog Edge now contains an option to invert grade tonnage curves and report below cutoff rather than above. For anyone reporting diamond resources, we have also added carats as a reporting unit. For more information about any of these Leapfrog Edge features, check out the following resources or contact your local Sequent office. Thanks for watching.